side effects, and products. Basil ocimum basilicum, an annual herb belonging to the mint family. Chemical composition and active components of basil plant. Chemical constituents: linalool, eugenol, 1,8-cineol, methyl-eugenol, limonene, beta-alanine, alpha-argamotine, bornyl acetate, menthol, camphor, copanin, caryophyllene, caicoric acid, farnesene, cadinine, methyl acetate, germacrine, bisabolol, gurjunine, cadinine, estradiol, neoisomenthol, guanine, and pulegon. These are the constituent of the basil plant and used for different purposes. Use of basil plant. Basil provides numerous benefits including antioxidant properties, anti-cancer activity, radio protection, antimicrobial effects, anti-inflammatory actions, immunomodulation, adaptogenic properties, anti-diabetic activity, and more. The wide-ranging uses of basil make it a valuable and versatile herb with potential health-promoting effects. General uses of basil. Basil is consumed in relatively low amounts but offers significant health benefits due to its high level of antioxidants and minerals. Although precise quantities for health benefits are not established, basil is calorie free, rich in dietary fiber and minerals. It is available in health food stores as basil tea and oil. Basil is a popular food additive, providing a distinctive flavor and aroma, making it a great addition to various dishes. Ritualistic uses. Basil has diverse ritualistic uses ranging from culinary to religious. Historical beliefs associate basil with death in Europe, while in Italy it was born for courting. Hindus believe being buried with basil ensures a ticket to heaven. The English used it to repel pests and evil spirits. In Portugal, basil is given as a gift on religious holidays, and in various Orthodox churches, it is used in holy water preparation. Culinary uses. Basil has been a staple in culinary preparation for thousands of years, enhancing the flavor of dishes, sauces, condiments, soups, stews, and more. It blends well with other herbs and is crucial in teas, oils, cheeses, liqueurs, and alcoholic beverages. Basil essential oil is commercially valuable, utilized in various industrial products, including beverages, prepared foods, dental products, fragrances, and soaps. Insecticidal properties. Basil exhibits powerful insecticidal properties, offering an environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic insecticides. Studies indicate repellent effects against houseflies and red flower beetles, showcasing its potential as a natural insect repellent. Traditional medical use. Basil boasts an extensive list of traditional medical uses, treating conditions from colds to malaria. Different cultures use basil for various ailments such as erectus and menstrual irregularities, arthritis, arthritis, and more. It is employed in homeopathy and considered anthelmintic, anti-emetic, and anti-diarrheal in different regions. Pharmacological uses. Research has explored the pharmacological characteristic of basil, revealing its effectiveness against fungal, viral, bacteria, protozoal, protozoal infections. Basil shows potential in inhibiting the growth of carcinogenic cells and has application in HIV treatment. Studies indicate its effectiveness against various diseases, including fevers, coughs, flu, asthma, bronchitis, and its ability to lower cholesterol levels. Anti-cancer activity. Basil exhibits well-established anti-cancer activity attributed to flavonoids such as vicinin and aurantin. These compounds defend cell structures and chromosome against radiation and oxygen-based damage. Basil shows inhibitory effects on chemically induced skin papillomas, hepatomas, and neoplasia. Radioprotective activity. Flavonoids from basil leaves demonstrate greater radioprotective effects than synthetic radioprotectors, protecting human lymphocytes from radiation-induced damage. Antimicrobial activity. Basil's essential oils, including limonene, eugenol, and limonene, exhibit antimicrobial activity, damaging bacterial cell walls and inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Basil shows effectiveness against various organisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Anti-inflammatory effects. Basil anti-inflammatory activity is attributed to compounds like eugenol, blocking the activity of enzyme cyclooxygenase. It diminishes inflammation by suppressing pro-inflammatory cytokines and mediators, immunomodulatory and adaptogenic effects. Basil enhances both cellular and humoral immunity, making it an effective immunomodulator. It also acts as an adaptogen, reducing stress, improving memory, and relax the mind. Anti-diabetic activity. Basil exhibits anti-diabetic properties, lowering blood sugar levels in diabetic and hyperglycemic rats. Human trials show a noticeable drop in postprandial and fasting blood glucose levels. Antipyretic, anti-arthritic, and anti-cancer effects. Basil fixed oil demonstrates antipyretic, anti-arthritic, and anti-cancer effects in animal study, reducing fever, inflammation, and inhibiting cancerous cell growth. Skin care. Basil emerges as a versatile skin care ally, offering benefits that often go unnoticed. Extracted from the leaves and flowers, basil can contribute to achieving radiant and healthy skin. Hydration boost. Basil infused facial creams excel in enhancing skin moisture, reducing roughness, providing a plant-based solution for dry and rough skin. Acne elevations. Basil oil showcases anti antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially influencing acne positively. Acne positively, crushed fresh basil leaves tested as an acne treatment prove comparably effective to conventional options. Sun protection potential. Preliminary research suggests that the basil essential oil may offer some sun protection. However, it is crucial to complement it with recommended broad spectrum sunscreen for comprehensive UV protection, wrinkle reduction. Concentrated basil extracts from leaves and flowers exhibit potential in reducing wrinkles, adding an anti-aging dimensions to skincare routines. Antifungal defense. Basil essential oil shows promise as an antifungal agent, providing a natural approach to combat specific types of fungi. For personalized treatment, consulting a healthcare professional is crucial for fungal skin infection. Side effects of basil plants. Impact on pregnancy. Consuming excessive amounts of basil during pregnancy may pose potential risk. Basil has been reported to have the potential to induce uterine contraction, making it advisable for pregnant women to consult with a healthcare professional before including basil in their diet. Fertility concerns. Preclinical studies suggest that basil may have an impact on fertility. Women who are attempting to conceive or breastfeeding are advised to avoid basil consumption. Additionally, regular intake of basil leaves might also influence fertility levels in men, potentially reducing sperm count. Eugenol overdose. Basil contains eugenol, a potent compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties. While these properties can be beneficial, an overdose eugenol may lead to adverse effects. Symptoms of eugenol overdose include shallow breathing, inflammation of the mouth and throat, nausea, rapid heartbeat, seizures, and dizziness. Care should be taken to avoid excessive intake of basil, especially in concentrated form. Liver cancer risk. Internal use. When taken by mouth as a medicine, basil is considered possibly unsafe due to presence of estragol, a chemical that might increase the risk of liver cancer. It is crucial to be cautious about the amounts consumed and medical consultation is recommended. Skin and aromatherapy. Skin and aromatherapy safety. Basil essential oil is considered possibly safe when applied to the skin in concentration of up to 6% for 12 weeks. However, caution should be exercised to prevent skin irritation. The safety of basil when inhaled as aromatherapy is uncertain, and reliable information regarding potential side effects is lacking. Basil products. Culinary products. Fresh basil leaves used in a variety of dishes, particularly in salads, pastas, and pizzas. Dried basil leaves, a convenient option for adding basil flavor to dishes year round. Basil pesto, a popular sauce made from basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Basil infused olive oil. Basil infused olive oil with basil, adding a fragrant and flavorful touch to cooking. Basil vinegar. Vinegar infused with basil, offering a unique flavor for dressing and marinades. Essential oil products. Basil essential oil extracted from basil leaves used in aromatherapy and for its potential therapeutic benefits. Basil scented candles. Candles infused with basil fragrance for a pleasant and calming atmosphere. Calming atmosphere. Aromatherapy diffuser oils. Essential oils, including basil, used in diffuser for aromatherapy. Skincare products. Basil infused lotion. Lotion incorporating basil for potential skin benefits and a refreshing scent. Basil infused creams. Creams with basil extract, possibly used for skin nourishment. Basil free masks. Basil face masks. Skincare mask featuring basil for its antioxidant properties. Basil infused soaps. Soaps containing basil extract known for its aromatic and cleansing quality. Herbal tea products. Herbal tea bags. Tea bags containing dried basil leaves for a herbal infusion. Basil infusion. Basil leaves used for making herbal teas with various flavor profiles. Interesting facts about basil plant. Basil holds cultural significance, being considered a sacred herb in Hindu traditions. It is used in burial ceremonies in both India and Egypt. The name basil comes from the Greek word Basilius, meaning king. It is also linked to the word Basilisk. Basilisk, a legendary dragon capable of slaying with a single glance. Romans believed that the fragrance of basil stimulated love. Women seeking true love would give a sprig of basil to their intended, while Italian men used it in a courtship by wearing a sprig in their hair. In the Middle Ages, there was a belief that basil could create scorpions, showcasing the diverse historical perception of the herb. In the Victorian language of flowers, basil symbolizes both hatred, common basil, and best wishes, sweet basil, reflecting its polarizing association. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comments.